What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Probably the biggest exploration thing you're ever going to see.
Fuck off, seashell!
Is there a seashell here? We got to get over here and hopefully we don't get attacked by dogs, because apparently there's one in here somewhere. I think I'm just doing shit. Oh, why did that have to happen to me for?
Because you stood in shit.
I'm going to McDonald's after this. Quickly, run! It's going up my arse, Kieran. Ooh, he tripped. That's good. Hello! There you go. It's very...
Demon door.
Right, you can go first. So...
Yeah, the guy would know to watch. Oh my god, there's the doors.
Oh my god. What was that? Nah, what was that? I'm being serious, did you hear that? Oh, Jesus, don't do that to me! You fucking idiot! Oh, no, to be fair, did you actually hear a noise a second ago?
Yeah, I did, I know what you mean. I'm scared.
Ooh, going up these dodgy stairs.
Watch the floor.
Right, we're gonna go in. Mind your head, it says. Mind your head.
Well, probably gonna die.
Probably. Oh well. Let's just go in. No, 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 fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that.
Why is it Christmas or chocolate?
There's tinsel everywhere. Fuck, that's gonna shower me. Stinks. Looks like my shoes because I'm gonna steal a dog poo. You're scaring the crap out of me, Kieran. Stop making so many loud noises. It's a good question, Kieran. Why are there jeans? Oh, no. What did you do that for? Oh, stop doing it, man.
Oh, we're not allowed in here.
Oh, women's toilets.
Broken in toilet, do not use.
Ooh, the floor's... Kieran, the floor's moving. Look. Yeah, I'm getting out of here. Let me try and get in this building now. Right, now I'm going to go in. Oh, it's well muddy. Oh, it stinks.
That's going to burn.
It stinks. Oh, you're joking. Right, I've kind of lost Kieran. What the fuck was that? No, fuck that. Kieran, we're gonna hit our heads on this thing. Have you seen how,
Quite short, this.
Oh, Kieran, they blocked it off. Maybe they blocked it. Oh. I don't know.
It's pretty sick.
What the fuck, Kieran? What was that? Kieran? Oh god. Uh-oh.
Pretty good.
That's not good. Right, I'm back from the abandoned factory with Kieran, but Kieran's not here, obviously, as you can see. But anyway, yeah, it's a really interesting place to go. We went when it was getting dark, so that was quite interesting. Really enjoyed it. There probably are some places near where I live that me and Kieran want to go and explore, so we will do that one day, don't worry, we will do more videos. So yeah, until then, see you later.